Hi, this will be the Taiwan paper 2018. Okay, so today we'll be going through some of the mistakes that some students make sometimes. Okay, so ascending order is from smallest to the biggest, correct? Okay, so you realize most of it is in 3 decimal place, right? So we will make them into 3 decimal place so that we can compare them nicely. Okay, so this is like your 287.0. Okay, so which one is the smallest? The smallest will be this. Okay, so we will put down 2.8 2.078. Then the second smallest is 2.0 again, 2.087. So 2.780 and 2.870, who is smaller? Should be 2.780. Then the last one is 2.87, but the 0 is not there because it's original dot there. If you put the 0 down, you will get your marks deducted. Okay, so which one is the greatest, right? So to do it as the greatest, we have to make them to the same denominator, right? So 2, 4 and 5. So if we were to look at 4 and 5, they should be 20, right? So the times 5 times 4, so times 4 times 4 times 5 times 5. Okay, so if you're making it to 20, this has to be times 10 times 10. So it's 10 over 20, 15 over 20, and 8 over 20. So this is the biggest. Okay, so if this is the biggest, the answer should be 3/4. Okay, so common factors. What are common factors? Common factors means 12 equals to 12 divided by 1 will get you 12. That means if you use 1 times something, it will give you back 12. Okay, so in short, we are taking 12 divided by 1 give you 12. These are the factors. So 12 divided by 2 will give you 6. 12 divided by 3 will give you 4. Since 4 is there already, we do not have to repeat. Okay, so 18 divided by 1 give you 18. But we have to write 18 times 1 give you 18. 1 times 18 give you 18. 2 times 9 and 3 times 6. Common factors means the factors have to appear twice. So you see 1 appear twice, right? 2 appear twice. 3 appear twice. 4 only appear once. But 6 appears twice. Okay? If you were to like underline 4 but you can't find another 4, you don't underline. If you were to underline 12, you cannot find another 12, you don't underline. So in short, right, it's only the factors that comes up 2 times. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the factors. Okay, so next. Okay, next we have another question. So a school have 74 classes, aims to collect 2,000 in a year, correct? Okay, so but every class collects the same amount, the same mass of empty cans. What is the mass of the cans to be collected in a month? So 2,000 have to be, is the total, right? The total have to be divided by the 74 classes. Okay, but this is still in a year. But how you change year to months? You have to divide by 12 again. So that's the answer. Okay, so 2,000 total divided by the total classes divided by 12 months. So you have 2.252. But they want you to round off to 2 decimal place, right? So you count to the 3rd decimal place, you put a dot dot dot. Okay, then you may want to round it off. Okay, you put a dot dot dot, then you round it off 2.25 because 2 is small, so you do not need to times plus 1. Okay, so next one, the part A, right? So Jane is facing the school, so turn 2 to 5 clockwise, right? So 2 to 5 clockwise is 2 to 5 clockwise. So how many 45s are there? 45, 90, 135, 180, 2 to 5. So you have to move 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 steps to clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So he will be at the park. Okay, similarly, if you remember this is 180, you plus another 45, you will also get 225. Okay, 225 clockwise. Okay, so next we will be doing part B, right? Part B, after turning 1/4, Peter will be facing the library after turning 1/4 anti-clockwise. Okay, so you want to find at first. So at first we know is working backwards, right? So turning 1/4 anti-clockwise give you library, correct? She will be at the library. So how to find it at first? At first you have to work it backwards. The opposite of 1/4 anti-clockwise is 1/4 clockwise. Okay, so we have to turn from the library 1/4 clockwise. This is 1/4, okay? 1/4 clockwise, 1/4 is this way. So he will be at the community center for part 5B, okay? Can? Okay, next. Next we will go back to paper 1. Okay, so what is happening in paper 1? Okay, so paper 1, let's say the first question 25, right? Okay, so 25 is correct. Okay, the first mistake is 22. 22 I think is a careless mistake. So 80, right? 80 muffins you are putting into boxes of 6 muffins each. That means every 80 muffins, right, you are trying to put it into 6 muffins into a box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 6, right? Okay, so you're about to have some left behind, okay? Because 80 is not a multiple of 6. Timetable 6 does not give you 80. So you divide by every box have 6, right? 6, 2, 0, 3, 18. Then you have a 2, remainder 2. That means the last box you will have only 2. You will have 13 box, but the last box you will have 2. So we will have like a total of 13 boxes. Okay, so the model will be somehow like that, because we do not know, we do not know how many boxes there is. Okay, so 13 boxes, and there will be one more box, so total there's 14 boxes. Okay, can? So next, okay, so we'll go on to the next question. Okay, so the next question is the remainder question. Okay, so Peter sold, right? Peter sold. Okay, Peter sold 3/4. So threw away 2/5 of the remainder, right? Remainder is 1 minus 3/4 is 1/4, correct? Then we have to find threw away. Threw away is 2/5 times 1/4 gives us what? Gives us 2/20. Okay, can? So 2/20, or you can change it to 1/10. Okay, this is the threw away. Okay, but I think keep it to 2/20 is better. Okay, just keep it. So what happened? We have to find the amount left, right? The amount left is actually equals to the remainder minus the thrown away. Okay, so this is thrown. So 1/4 minus 2/20. So we have 5 is 3/20. So 3/20 is left, right? They also give us the amount that is left. So 3/20 is 36, right? So actually 3 units is 36. 1 unit is 36 divided by 3 is 12. So the total is always on the denominator, right? How much did Peter have at first? Peter had 20 units at first. 20 times 12, 240. So Peter actually have 240 at first. Okay, can? Okay, so this is okay 22, right? So this one you will have 2, then you have 12, then you have 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Okay, so we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So there are 13 twos in this number. Okay. So let's go on to the next question. Okay, this one 29, right? Ken? Okay, so 29. So what they say the breadth, right, is to the whole parameter is 1:6. Okay, so let's draw the breadth is 1 unit, the parameter is 6 unit. Okay, so the breadth is 1 unit, 1 unit. If the parameter is 6 unit, that means the length is 6 minus 1 unit minus 1 unit is 4 unit. 4 unit is for the two lengths, one length and one length. Okay, so 4 unit divided by 2 gives you 2 units. So the 2 units is for the length, right? So we can place this 2 units. So 2 units is 8. 1 unit is 4. So the breadth is 1 unit, which is 4, correct? So the area is length times breadth, right? So will be 32. Okay, can. So overall this